What's going on, Rejuvenation? I'm Jordan and I'm back with another Shoe Care Academy video. Today we are going to be taking on another pair of Jordan 1s. Today we're going to do the Skyline Jordan 1 highs that were released back in April of 2023. These are pretty cooked, not extremely dirty, but we are going to be taking care of them using the Rejuvenator Signature Cleaning Kit. Since this is a canvas material, we are going to need the laundry system to fully penetrate the canvas materials. So without further ado, let's get into this cleaning. Before we get into the regular scheduled cleaning, if you like today's video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. We drop new videos every Monday and every Thursday with some bonus videos sprinkled in. We show customs and restorations with Vic and cleaning videos on just about every shoe that we can come up with. Also, leave a comment of a shoe that you want us to clean. We are actively searching for shoes to clean on the channel. Now, before and after purposes, we're just gonna set one shoe to the side and then we'll set up our cleaning station. Just like that, our cleaning station is set up with everything from our signature cleaning kit. We have our 3 different brushes, soft, medium, and stiff, to effectively tackle all the materials. Our drying rack and bowl combo to hold our water and our brushes throughout the cleaning, as well as after. Our laundry bag, because these are going to need the washing machine for the most effective clean. Our shoe tree to allow us to hold the shape of the sneaker in the washing machine and throughout the cleaning. 4-ounce bottle of solution, which you can clean up to 50 pairs of shoes with 1 bottle. Then our cleaning mat to keep our entire surface clean. And finally, our microfiber towel to wipe down the sneaker as we do it. Oh wait, I also forgot, we have our laundry pod. Our laundry pod is 100% necessary when you're using the washing machine. Our non-dyed detergent is perfect and you will not damage your sneakers using it. Now, let's remove the laces from the shoe. Got the laces out of this shoe. Now, as I was pulling the laces out, there was dust flying off of this shoe. I'm highly allergic to literally everything, so my allergies are pretty rough for this. But now that we have the laces out and we can see every detail of the shoe, we need to insert our adjustable shoe tree. These are a size 9.5, so we just need to adjust the size. Got it. Now with the shoe tree in, we will be able to put as much pressure onto this toe box to give it an effective clean. Also, it will help alleviate some of the creasing that you see on the leather materials. Just by pushing it out, it will not 100% get rid of the creasing. Also, we will be leaving the shoe tree in for the entirety of the cleaning, especially in the laundry system. Always leave your shoe tree in. It'll help reshape the sneaker through the washing process. If you don't, you will lose the form of your sneaker. Now, all we gotta do is put 2 squirts of solution into our 4-ounce bowl of water. Our solution is highly concentrated, so you only need 2 squirts with every 4-ounce bowl of water. You don't have to use half the bottle. Now we are going to be taking our soft bristle brush and tackling the canvas and the leather materials on the uppers. Alright, we're all done with the soft brush. Now, I'd be lying if I said that this shoe looked good. The canvas is still super dingy, but I am noticing that it's fraying pretty bad on the Nike swoosh. I am not going to be using the medium bristle brush on the canvas materials because it will cause damage. So we're just going to rely on the washing machine to really make this canvas look better, because right now it's dingy. But we're going to move on to the medium bristle brush to clean the midsole because we can use it on that. And we're gonna use the medium bristle brush to take care of this grimy, disgusting, smelly, dog hair filled insole that was left in this sneaker. So let's get into that. All done with the medium bristle brush. The midsole looks a lot better. There is still some deeper staining from heel drag right here, as well as on this really hard stitch. We are going to be hitting that with our stiff bristle brush, but we will have to be really careful to not accidentally hit this upper material because, as I mentioned, it will 100% cause damage. Then we're going to be hitting the outsole to fully finish the pre-treatment on this sneaker before we throw it in the washing machine.
So Jordan, what do you think of the Skylines?
Now, I think the Skylines was a really cool concept. They were modeled after a photo of Michael Jordan in front of the skyline in Chicago. However, I think the execution on this shoe was just really not done great. The gradient is cool, however, having both shoes be different just really isn't for me. So I'm personally not a fan of the Skylines. I will not be adding them to my collection, but I do think that the concept was really cool. Also behind me we have Vic's variation. He did it themed off of this Phoenix sunset, so it's a lot brighter. I think his variation is a lot better than this one personally. So now let's put this sneaker in the washing machine and wrap up this cleaning. Well, if I tried to lace a shoe right now, I wouldn't even make it in any of the lace holes because I can't see. All right, got the shoe and the insole in the laundry bag, as well as we locked down these little straps here to give full support. As I mentioned earlier, leave the shoe tree in the sneaker when you wash it. Now, all we have to do is take care of the laces before we head to the washing machine. The laces sat in the water and solution for the entire cleaning. Since they are black, they don't really need that much, so I'm just going to squeeze out the excess water and then I will insert them into the lace pouch on the laundry bag. Laces are inserted into our little pouch. Now, all we have to do is insert our adjustable shoe tree. Nope, this is a freaking laundry pod. Laces are inserted into the lace pouch. Now all we have to do is add our laundry pod. We're going to be inserting it into the same pouch. Before we do that, TJ Gaming 3x300 did ask if you can use regular detergent. We highly recommend that you use a non-dyed detergent. If you use something like Tide that's blue, you can damage your sneakers. That's why we recommend using this clear detergent pod from Reshoevn8r, which you can pick up at reshoevn8r.com and save 10% by clicking my promo code in the description. We're going to be washing this sneaker on a normal cycle with cold water. Never wash your sneakers with warm or hot water. It can cause damage. Once they're out of the washing machine on their normal cycle, we will be allowing them to air dry either in the sun or on our drying rack. All right, we went ahead and got the sneakers out of the washing machine and allowed them to dry for 24 hours. Now, we didn't get the results that we really wanted. This back piece is still really dingy. It has a lot of blacks trapped in this orange material. It could be bleeding from the swoosh and the other black elements of the sneaker, or it could just be really trapped in dirt. So we're gonna go ahead, clean it one more time using the 3 brushes in solution, and then we're gonna blow out all of the remaining dirt with our air compressor, and we might potentially need the steamer for this shoe. This material is super tricky to clean. I went ahead and cleaned the entire sneaker again using our soft bristle brush and natural solution. That area is still a problem area. It really doesn't look any better. I used the air compressor to try to blow out the rest of this remaining dirt, but it didn't work. I am pretty sure that this is color bleed, but I'm gonna try this steamer and then throw it through the washing machine one more time. Now, I know you guys don't have a compressor or a steamer at home, and that's completely fine. Your shoes also probably don't get this dirty at home, so let's try that steamer and hope that it works. I don't even know how to use a steamer, nor can I see. We went ahead and washed this on a rinse and spin cycle to just really flush out the materials. I am pretty sure that it is color bleed, but we will check out the sneaker once it's done in the rinse and spin cycle, allow it to dry, and then we'll be right back. All right, we went ahead and got the shoe out of the washing machine for the second time. Overall, it looks really good. The black kind of came out of this material. There's still a little bit of dinginess on this, but it came out a lot better the second wash. It smells a lot fresher. Overall, it just looks really good. The tongue looks a lot cleaner. So now all that's left to do is lace this sneaker back up and wrap up the cleaning. Alright, I mentioned in my last video, I am absolutely terrible at lacing when I can see, and this entire video I haven't worn my glasses, so I really can't see. So we're gonna give this to Vic, let him lace up this sneaker, because it was gonna be a train wreck if I did it myself. Here, Vic. While Vic laces the shoes, let's respond to a comment. Liberty Walk 9509 asked how to clean denim sneakers, and the example that they used was the Skyline Jordan 1's. Now, I wouldn't necessarily classify these as denim, they're more of a thick canvas. They can be cleaned, you will follow the exact steps in here, but be super careful cleaning any denim-like material. It can bleed color, and also it can be really difficult to clean.
All done.
Got the sneaker back from Vic, and it looks 100 times better than if I would have done it myself. So let's check out the before and after results. So as I mentioned, we use the Rejuvenator cleaning kit. The signature cleaning kit comes with the 3 different brushes, 4-ounce solution, shoe trees, and a laundry bag to clean over 50 pairs of sneakers in just one kit. We paired this with our sneaker laundry pods, which are essential for cleaning your shoes in the washing machine. You'll get the deepest clean possible, plus they smell really good. We used our cleaning mat to keep our station super clean during the cleaning, and our drying rack and bowl combo to store our brushes and water during the cleaning and after the cleaning. Drop a comment on what you guys want us to clean next. You never know, we might just clean that sneaker. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you guys again soon in the next Shoe Care Academy video. Bye.